Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this dome lights. Now I have another video showing you how to change the light bulb, but what happens if you change the light bulb but this doesn't work? So I'm going to show you how to fix that. Alright, get yourself like a butter knife or a screwdriver or something. I'm using this trim removal tool. Press over here and just kind of carefully pry this off. Okay, and this comes right off. Okay, you got this open, you got your bulb, you got your switch. That's what turns it on and off. Now I changed the bulb on this side, it's not working, so that means the switch is no good, okay? Now in order to change that, there's a screw right there and another one right there. Let's take those off. Alright guys, you got two more screws right under here, okay? Take those off. Alright guys, once you get these 4 screws off, this whole thing comes down. Alright, you got all these wires and stuff. You're gonna unhook all these, and the way you do these, you just take these tabs, push them in, and pull out, okay? It's pretty easy. Do the same thing with this one. Alright guys, next step is taking this part off, and just flip it around. There's a couple of tabs here and here. So if you kind of get your screwdriver there, and press down on this as you're prying this away from the sides, this whole thing comes down, okay? So now this is what you need. This is the switch. The switch comes off easy. You just get a screwdriver and just pry it away. Whoop, it'll pop right off. So let's get the new one and put it in. Okay, this is your new switches. That's the part number, all right? I got a link in the description if you want to use that link. They come 2 in a box. So this is what they look like. Okay, so these little holes are gonna go into these little tabs in there. So what you're gonna do is just put it in there like this and just click it in place, okay? Make sure it goes into the holes, and once you're there, that's it. Now you just pop this back in like that, and you're ready to put this back up there, okay? All right guys, just gotta plug everything back in. All right, so this is ready to go back up. Alright guys, check it out. They work. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.